Health is wealth. So always we have to think about our health, and what we cook, what we eat is very important. So now I am going to show you just a small salad only. So we will see how this salad is done, and with what you are going to eat it's left to you. So we will make this salad and show you now. It's a simple one I am going to do. First thing, I am using mustard cream. About 2 teaspoons of mustard cream I am using. Salad cream. Salad cream, I have been showing you all how to make salad cream, and I always show you, and if I don't show you, keep watching, I will do it over and over again. Now you can see salad cream and mustard cream. Now I am going to use salt, and then the black pepper. We can use the white pepper. White pepper will be better, so we use the white pepper. Mix it nicely, cream it, mix well, and I will use a little olive oil also. Cream it well. Now see what I am going to do. Avocados. Avocados are the best, which I am using avocados first. Then we use onions, all chopped into large pieces. Gherkins and button tomatoes I am using. All that I am going to use here. Mix it well. What you should do is keep all the vegetables ready, but don't mix it and keep. All the vegetables separately mix and keep. After you mix and keep, what will you do? Just before serving, you mix all these together with this cream, and you can see we need a little parsley also. Parsley is very good and healthy. We can have parsley. You're not throwing the parsley, just leave the parsley alone. Nicely wash it in salt water. All these have to be washed nicely in salt water and then used. Right. I have got some salad leaves. Either I use salad leaves. My salad is ready. So you can make a salad like this, and of course I will enjoy preparing. Quickly we could do this. It's really nice and healthy. Good if we can eat even for older people. I think it's nice for us to have it for the dinner instead of having any other preparation. This is really good. You can even have salad leaves, iceberg leaves, whatever you can have. But I quickly wanted to prepare for you, and I thought I will do this for you. And lovely, nice to have it. This is the salad which I have made for you. Quick and easy, and of course healthy preparation. Try it out and see how it comes. We can have it with anything. Now you can see this type of preparation. I was eating the salad also. Actually this is very good. Anytime you can eat. And if you are a sick person, salad is the best. And I have put olive oil also, good and healthy, and avocados are very, very good for us. And with other vegetables, carrot, cabbage, like that, you can use all these vegetables also and prepare and see how it comes. It is really nice and healthy, and I hope you will also enjoy preparing a quick meal like this, a quick preparation like this, and of course you can give for your children also. Next episode, I will come back with another beautiful recipe. You wait and see how it comes. Tell your friends also, and all your friends, tell them, and you also have to enjoy preparing my recipes. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you very soon with another episode.